ZUEDA 13-inch Cartography World Globe, Gyro-Assembled Revolution Geographic Globe, Desktop Political Globe for kids. The 13 Political Globe with Gyro-matic mounting swings up or down to bring any area into closer view. Map areas are in vivid colors to easily highlight political boundaries. Numbered, full meridian and gyro assembly. The inner PVC is covered with high-quality color offset printing, environmentally friendly and harmless. All these make the world globe a professional education globe. This 13 Revolution globe is well made with a stainless steel stand. You don't need to consider how to store it. So you can place it anywhere as a decor, living room, study, bedroom, be a good decoration. Specification, name, the 13 Polotical Revolution Globe Degree, 720 degrees globe ball, PVC surface, sphere/ABS base, metal, brass high gloss finish meridian, metal semi-meridian, high gloss brass finish color, blue raised relief, no width 13 globe, 12.6 diameter height, 16.5 13 Political globe with gyro-matic mounting swings up or down, allows the globe to tilt a full 360 degrees as well as spin, bring any area into closer view. Globe details include over 4,000 place names, countries represented in contrasting colors, and delineated U.S. states. Political map information is up to date, being blend the unique style sphere with a modern and contemporary base, creating an enchanting world globe that features clean lines and sophisticated style. The map of this world globe is made of PVC, environmentally friendly and harmless. Kids can touch anywhere on the globe they are interested in. The detailed and clear matte surface protect their eyes from fatigue, great for children and adults of all ages. Lifetime warranty. ZUEDA 13-inch Cartography World Globe, Gyro-Assembled Revolution Geographic Globe, Desktop Political Globe for kids and teachers, educational gift. For more info and special discounts, please click the link below.